Well, hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you guys on how I remove my unit after work. Some days I don't remove it, some days I do, and when I do apply my wig on certain days I don't glue the entire wig down. I usually just glue the front part of the unit, and the sides I don't glue down, if that makes sense to you guys. You see where I'm pulling on it, showing you where I have it glued down at. So I'm lifting up the sides, and I usually don't glue those down most of the time for work. Now if I want to, I will, but you see now I'm combing the hairline to the back so I don't get the hair all messed up and wet, you know, for tomorrow. So I will apply this wig again tomorrow. So I'm taking my water bottle and I start spraying it right where you see where I lift the unit back of by the hairline, and I take my fingers and I just massage where I sprayed the water, and when I massage it, it kind of loosens the glue, the gel, because I use the Got2be gel, and that's in the black tube. You see where how it's lifting once I spray the water, and just kind of rub it. Just be very gentle so you won't damage your edges. And I've been doing this now for a while, and I haven't had any problems so far with damaged edges. And yeah, and I'm just constantly spraying the water and rubbing gently so that it can lift. And you see where it just came right on up. And now I'm going to work with how I remove my wig cap. And I'm just sharing with you guys how much glue is on my wig. I take a clean washcloth, and this one here is brown, and I just picked up a brown one. And because I still have a little makeup on my face, and I didn't want to get my other washcloth with makeup on it. So I wet that towel, and I just kind of continue wet. So once I finish up removing most of the gel from my edges, I take that same wet washcloth and I wash the lace of my wig, try to remove majority of the gel, and so it can be ready to put back on for tomorrow. And now I'm going to share with you guys on how I'm applying my hair fertilizer to my scalp, and I try to do this at least 3 times a week, and so that I'm working on growing my hair. So yeah, that's one reason why I remove my wig during some of the days on work days, so you guys I can be able to apply my hair fertilizer. So you guys, this is it. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye guys.